Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about business idea generation techniques. In that, the first one is focus group. Now, let us understand what do you mean by focus group. Now, in the organization, certain groups will be formed, okay, and it is a form of group discussion technique. Now, for what reason or for what purposes these groups will be formed, okay. Now, the groups will be formed for the purpose of discussion. What kind of discussion will take place among the group members? Now, since we are studying about idea generation, if they want to innovate or launch any kind of a new technique or new idea, then each group member has to contribute whatever are their ideas and opinion. It is not possible for a single individual in order to generate new ideas and new techniques. Whenever the groups have been formed, then new generation of ideas will be there. We can get many ideas and many opinion. So that is called as a focus group. And one more thing they have given here, how many participants are required for that? Means 10 to 14 participants are required to form a group in case of the focus group. Okay, minimum members which have been given are 10 to 14 participants. Okay, that will come in the focus group. And why the name has been specified as the focus? Focus group means what? They need to focus on one particular aspect or one particular time. So based on that only they will whatever the discussion will take place, whatever is the focus on which topic or on which concept or aspect, based on that discussion will take place among the group members. So that will come in focus group. The next one is brainstorming. Now what do you mean by brainstorming? As the name itself suggests, brainstorming means what? Generation of new ideas or new creative ideas. Now usually from where the ideas will be generated? The ideas will be generated from the brain itself, okay, because new ideas will come from the brain. Suppose what happens, if a person will start thinking more, if his thinking process is more or increasing, that time only new ideas will be generated. That is called as a brainstorming. For that also certain brainstorming sessions will be conducted where all the members will come together, okay, and discussion of the new ideas or new concepts will be done, where each and every member will generate their new ideas and new opinion. Means whatever are their opinions. The next one is reverse brainstorming. Now, just opposite of brainstorming is reverse brainstorming. Reverse brainstorming is a kind of a negative brainstorming. Usually the question will be asked that why the product has been failed, okay, or why this has come into loss, okay, means taking some kind of a negative aspect or negative thing, okay. Usually what happens, if any kind of a new product has been brought in the market, okay, the things will be running in the mind that this new product has come in the market, whether my product will be acceptable, okay, or whether it will gain profit or incur any kind of a loss. Like that way, that is called as a reverse brainstorming, thinking only the negative aspect or negative part, okay, means thinking about why there is a product failure, okay, why it is not becoming more profitable, okay. So that is the reverse brainstorming. Now when you compare with the second point and the third point, second point was brainstorming, that is thinking only positive, generation of new ideas and new techniques and concepts which are there. And reverse brainstorming means what? Thinking just opposite of the brainstorming, means thinking in a part of a negative manner, why there is a product failure, okay, why the product has failed and so on. The next one is checklist. Now checklist means what? A list of questions will be prepared in order to ask the consumers about what they feel about that particular product. Now a list of question means what? Okay, means what is the quality of that particular product, okay, whether this product the customers will like or no, or it is as per the demand or taste and preference of the customer. So like that way, or who uses that particular product, because there are some category of the products that few people like it whereas other people dislike, they do not like it. Okay, so like that way a list of questions are to be prepared in the form of the checklist, a list of questions. Like that way many questions can be asked to the consumer who uses that particular product, okay, whether that product is profitable in the market or not. Like that way many questions have been asked. Then information from publication. Publication means what? In the kind of the media, trade, magazines and all that, they need to collect the information from the trade magazines or whatever kind of media is been adopted, that is collecting the information from publication. The next one is seminar and conference. Now what do you mean by seminar? Seminar means what? A certain topic will be taken and based on that a seminar will be given, or based on that whatever information is provided to the people. So certain kind of a seminars also may be conducted. Okay, and conference also. What do you mean by conference? Conference is a kind of a meeting or whatever the group discussion techniques which have been taken. Okay, that is called as a conference. Now for what reason or what purpose this conferences will be called? Okay, in a conference many people will be there. Okay, and it is a kind of a meeting being conducted, means there also certain kind of the discussion will take place. Then discussion with people. Okay, now also they need to discuss whatever their ideas are there, or what difficulties or what problems they have been facing with the people. That is a discussion being taken place. The next one is daydreaming. Now usually dreams will be there for each and every individual. Okay, daydreaming means what? A certain person will keep certain dream, or they'll be having a dream, aim or goal. Okay, and they need to work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal or target. They will be having that daydreaming. Okay, dreaming about whatever is their goal or target. So these are the business idea generation technique. Now just briefly we'll understand. First one was focus group. Focus group means what? A certain groups will be formed where the discussion will take place, and they need to focus on what particular aspect of which point they want to discuss, and the limit of the members is 10 to 14 participants. Then the next one is brainstorming. Brainstorming is the idea generation technique, means whatever are the new ideas being generated, you get the new ideas from the brain, thinking all the positive ideas. Then reverse brainstorming. Reverse brainstorming means it is thinking in a negative part or negative manner. Okay, means why the idea has been failed or why there is a product failure. Okay, so thinking about that particular negative aspect, means by thinking about that whether this product has been brought in the market, that time whether it will lead to failure or not. And checklist. Checklist means a list of question will be prepared, okay, regarding whatever questions have been prepared and asking to the customer. Like questions will be that who uses that particular product, okay, what will be the, how is the quality of that product, then what are the taste preferences of the customer, demand of the customer and all that. Like that way a list of question will be prepared. And information from publication. Information from publication means what? Okay, whatever information is got from the media or trade magazines. Then seminar and conferences, arranging certain seminar. Seminar is whatever the topics have been given for discussion, and in the form of a seminar will be conducted. And conferences also. Conferences, arrangement of a certain meeting. Okay, in that conference will be brought and their arrangement of the conference will be done, means discussion of whatever the topics are there in the meeting. Then discussion with the people will take place regarding whatever their ideas or difficulties and problems have been faced. And daydreaming. Daydreaming means what? Everyone will be having certain dream or aim, ambition. Okay, so they will work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal or target. So these are all about the business idea generation techniques. Thank you.